Hello everyone. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party leader Jacob Zuma has removed two senior party leaders from their positions with immediate effect. In a letter dated June 28, 2024, Zuma yielded the axe on the Umkhonto weSizwe Party Secretary General Arthur Zwane and Treasurer General Danisa Zulu. Zwane had assumed the role of the Secretary General just 2 weeks ago when he took over the position from Sihle Ngubane, who was deployed to Parliament as the party's chief whip. In the letter, Zuma said, "This serves to express my heartfelt appreciation for the outstanding and priceless revolutionary work you have done for the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Owing to the need of using our limited and available human capital efficiently, I have decided to relinquish you the Secretary General functions with immediate effect. I will soon engage you regarding new role you can play in a dynamic organization. As Umkhonto weSizwe Party, you are expected to hand over to the newly incumbent in the office." In another letter dated July 1, Zwane said he was resigning from his role, citing the workload as the reason. He said the work volume in his office was getting in the way of his other business interests. The letter reads as follows: "Dear Comrade President Jacob Zuma, I here to wish to tender my resignation as Secretary General of Umkhonto weSizwe Party with immediate effect. In the last 2 weeks, I have realized that the volume of work in my office is huge and beyond my limits, especially because I have other competing business interests that I'm pursuing. I'm humbled by the confidence you had in me, starting from DSG and later SG. I'll be available to hand over to the newly appointed SG at any determined time. I will also be available to help with other organizational matters you want me to help with, however, not on a full-time basis." Zwane remains a member of Umkhonto weSizwe Party and available for guidance to the new leadership. In his place, the party appointed Dr. Sifiso Maseko as the new Secretary General, while Menzi Ngubane was appointed as the Treasurer General, replacing Danisa Zulu, who was also removed from his position. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.